Most people treat Vim like a glorified notepad with weird shortcuts. But once you go past the basics, it stops being a text editor and starts feeling like you're literally hacking the file. Today, I'm showing you 10 secret motions and commands that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without them. Let's go. Number 1. Edit history jumps. We've all been there. You're deep in a file, you edit a line, scroll away to check a reference, and then you're lost. Don't scroll back. Just hit G semicolon. It teleports your cursor back to your last edit. Hit it again to go back further. To go forward? Hit G comma. It's like a GPS for your productivity. Number 2. Actual time travel. Vim doesn't just track steps, it tracks time. If you realize you've been heading down a rabbit hole for the last 2 minutes, type earlier 2M. Boom. Everything you did in the last 120 seconds is gone. Changed your mind? Later 2 minutes brings it back. It's the ultimate undo safety net. Number 3. The normal command. If you need to comment out lines 5 through 10, don't do it manually. Type 5,10 norm I//. This applies the normal mode command, in this case, inserting 2 slashes to every line in that range. It feels like writing a miniscript on the fly. Number 4. The global command. This one is criminally underrated. Say you have debug prints all over your code. Type G/debug/d. This tells Vim, find every line with the word debug and delete it. One command, instant cleanup. That is dangerous power right there. Number 5. The GN motion. This is the pro way to do find and replace. Search for a word, then type CGN. This changes the next match. After that, just hit the dot key to repeat it for every subsequent match. It's like having a multi-cursor, but you're in total control of each step. Number 6. Visual block mode. Hit Ctrl V. Most people know you can select columns, but did you know you can mass edit them? Select a vertical column, hit Shift I, type your text, and hit Escape. It populates across every line simultaneously. It's way cleaner than a macro for quick alignment. Number 7. Structured editing. Don't delete inside braces by mashing backspace. Use the % key to jump between matching brackets to verify where you are, then hit CI bracket. It wipes the entire function body and puts you in insert mode instantly. It's surgical. Number 8. Marks. If you know you'll need to come back to a specific line later, drop a breadcrumb. Type MA to set mark A. Go wherever you want, then hit 'A to teleport back. It's like setting a save point in a video game. Number 9. The command line window. We've all messed up a long, complex Vim command. Instead of retyping it, hit Q:. It opens your command history in a full Vim buffer. Now you can use all your Vim motions to edit that long command and hit Enter to run it. No more fighting with the tiny bottom bar. Number 10. Screen control. Stop moving your eyes, move the screen. ZZ centers the current line. ZT puts it at the top, and ZB at the bottom. It keeps your focus exactly where it needs to be. Vim isn't about memorizing 1,000 keys, it's about combining these small hacks to stay in the flow. If you learned even one thing today, hit that like button. Try using these in your next session and let me know in the comments if it changed your workflow. Thanks for watching.